Hi everyone, welcome to Billionaire Mentor. Today I'm going to share with you 100 ideas that you should consider beforehand. With the growing demand of people looking for quick cash as a result of the market crash and so on, there have been increasing fake gurus and online millionaires trying to tell you that you can become rich really quick. The truth is, they're doing this because they know you're desperate, looking for cash, looking for quick cash. They know that you're stressed and you can't pay your bills. They know the get-rich-quick game is by selling you courses, even though there are some really expert courses that you can try to learn skills. So don't get me wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you this. The get-rich-quick dream is just a pipe dream. Yes, it is true. 99% of people will never get rich quickly or rich at all. The only time that it can really happen is if you win the lottery, sell your organs, inherit a bunch of money, or marry someone rich. But that is not quick. That is just a gamble that will pay off for only a selective few individuals. I don't recommend it. It's a great decision that you have made to become a Billionaire Mentor subscriber, as I can teach you the success and tools you need to succeed, but hustle and hard work depends on you. Stop trying to learn how to make money fast. It just doesn't happen. Why? Making money requires work, usually a lot of it. It also requires time. If you want to make money, then how about working hard for it? You might tell me about the millionaires from Facebook and other internet startup companies that have made money fast. Guess what? They certainly did not make money fast. You usually don't know how much time it takes to create a business, product, or service. It can take months or years to build up something that can have any spark of success. It doesn't happen overnight. You might notice it overnight, but that is not how it really happens. If you want to have your money working for you, then try investing. Also, expanding your knowledge and skills are the real way to make money. Will you do it quickly? Of course not. The one thing that you will find out is that if you increase your knowledge base and skill set, then you will most likely succeed in life. You will make more money in the long run and you will have a better life. It doesn't happen overnight, but it is far more productive. Stop following that pipe dream. Getting rich quickly is everyone's dream. Unfortunately, when you wake up, you probably won't be rich. My recommendation is to stop chasing this dream. Stop buying products from other people selling this dream. You are wasting your money and time. There is no point. You are doing yourself no favors. Wasting time on this dream is just like wasting money. You want to make money, not waste it, right? That's why I have prepared a long list of business ideas that you should consider. Again, all of these requires hard work, but they're worth it. So here we go. Number 1, party promotion. Number 2, build a niche blog or website and use affiliate marketing. Number 3, event planning. Number 4, launch and grow a startup such as a cryptocurrency startup. Number 5, build and sell software. Number 6, sale of SIM cards and internet bundles. Number 7, start an e-commerce site and sell physical products. Number 8, find freelance clients and sell your services. Number 9, coaching and sell your advice. Number 10, create online courses and productize your knowledge. Number 11, launch a YouTube channel to entertain and educate. Number 12, record a podcast and share inspiring stories. Number 13, join a remote company, part-time or full-time. Number 14, give your opinion in online focus groups and surveys. Number 15, get paid by testing websites. Number 16, narrate audiobooks. Number 17, write and sell an ebook, Amazon self-publishing. Number 18, do micro jobs on Amazon Mechanical Turk. What is Amazon Mechanical Turk, you ask? Well, it is an Amazon platform where people can complete small tasks that take between a few seconds to minutes to complete. You may be asked to fill out a CAPTCHA form respond to a survey, or write a short article for a little pocket money. Amazon Mechanical Turks can earn you some good income in your spare time. Number 19, join freelance job sites like FlexJobs and Solid Gigs. Number 20, sell your services on niche sites like 99 Designs, Cloud Peeps, or TopTal. Number 21, do graphic design for local companies. Number 22, start email marketing with your niche newsletter. Number 23, sell products on a Spotify store. Number 24, sell your crafts and art on Etsy. Number 25, become an influencer on Instagram. Number 26, sell your art and designs on Society6. Number 27, local business consulting. Number 28, sell stock photo online. Number 29, rent your home or room on Airbnb. Number 30, start an online t-shirt business. Number 31, sell your expertise on Clarity.fm. Number 32, answer professional questions on Just Answer. Number 33, become a virtual assistant. Number 34, get a commission-only sales gig. Number 35, teach English as a virtual tutor. Number 36, guest post as a freelance writer for niche websites. Number 37, write on Medium's partner program. Number 38, help people with their tax prep. Number 39, transcribe audio and interviews. Number 40, proofread articles. Number 41, Forex trading. Number 42, private labeling and selling products on Amazon. Number 43, online travel consultant. Number 44, do virtual odd jobs on TaskRabbit. Number 45, clean up search engines. Number 46, enter online contests for company names and slogans. Number 47, get paid for being healthy. Number 48, sell cakes in your local area. Number 49, write reviews of the places you've been. Number 50, do data entry for companies. Number 51, become a college admissions essay editor. Number 52, help new teachers by selling your teaching plan. Number 53, maintain artist fan pages. Number 54, look after other people's pets. Number 55, sell your old smartphone and other tech goods. Number 56, sell your old books. Number 57, open a beauty salon. Number 58, rent or sell your clothes online. Number 59, become an online dating consultant. Number 60, rent your car on Turo. Number 61, become an online news writer or columnist. Number 62, buy and sell domain names. Number 63, open a barber salon. Number 64, do data analysis for companies. Number 65, become an online personal trainer or fitness coach. Number 66, sell your songs. Number 67, subcontract your extra work and start an online agency. Number 68, create DIY or cooking videos. Edit videos online. Build a niche website and sell your product. Repair computers and mobile phones. Become a contract customer service superstar. Buy an existing website flip up. Become an online notary. Run corporate workshops. Lend your voice to voiceovers. Small business marketing consultant. Rent your camera gear. Help other businesses bring back old customers. Online fundraising consultant. Become a voice translator. Fulfilled by Amazon or Amazon FBA, as it is popularly called, is a program on Amazon that allows you to ship your goods to an Amazon warehouse so that every time you get an order, your Amazon handles the entire packaging and shipping. With Amazon FBA, you can sell stuff on Amazon even if you work a 9-to-5 job. Ebook ghostwriter. Most people want to make money from Amazon Kindle publishing and CreateSpace publishing, but very few of these people are talented writers. You can earn some impressive income from starting a ghostwriting business where you write books for authors who do not possess enough talent to write their own books by themselves. Sell resistance bands. Start homemade food art and a craft business. Provide Android app and creation service. Start your own social networking site. Proofreading and resume creation services. With so many people being unemployed, there's a huge demand for this service. Also, you can extend your service to bloggers, business owners, authors, marketing agencies, and a range of other clients who need sellers to proofread their content. And as content is king nowadays, proofreading services are in high demand. All you need to do is check the document that the client sends you for errors, fix them, and then send it back to them. Start a soft skills training business. Start online teaching business. Help people rank their website, product, or videos on the internet by doing some search engine optimization. Start animation creation services. List your gig on Fiverr and do video testimonials. Start a voiceover business. Start retailing of music and movies in your local area. Become an online public speaking coach. There are so many introverts who need to express their business or technical ideas to other people, but they can't because they lack these skills. Start a food processing company. Start a travel and tourism business in your local area. Start an internet service provider business. If you have a technical know-how, then you can start a cybersecurity solutions business. Thanks for making it to the end. Now tell us in the comments section, what is the best business idea that you're going to start with? Thanks for watching Billionaire Mentor. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content. We love you and stay safe.